Diba?
Another 10 likes, guys. Nice. That's. How do you know all the places of the spiders?
Hinanap ko kanina. Adobuhin mo. Tara na. Let's go.
Hello guys, today we are hunting spiders again. If you want to see more videos like this, please smash that like and subscribe button. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so we found one here. One here. Where's it? Oh, yeah, right there.
Sinira mo ng bahay niya.
Oh no! I didn't see the string. Remember our appointment, guys. 10 likes each spider. That's one, right? That's one. Do we count that or what? Do we count that?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
There.
Let's go. This one, let's see other spiders.
Lumalit dun. There. Diba?
Another 10 likes, guys. Nice. That's. How do you know all the places of the spiders?
Hinanap ko kanina eh.
King Kong in the chest.
Grabe, ang ganda ng forma oh. No?
Yeah, malaki rin yan. Ano rin niya?
Mahaba eh. Pero grabe itim. Hindi.
Ano yan
hawakan mo
yan?
nga be.
Okay.
Kanina eh.
King Kong in the chest.
Grabe, ang ganda ng forma oh. No?
Yeah, malaki rin yan. Ano rin niya?
Mahaba. Ikot tayo sa kabila.
Let's go. Look there, kakamera. Oh, I see us.
Wala yan.
Walang ano. No spider.
Ito.
Here? Where is it? Oh yeah! Yan oh.
Maliit pa.
Kaya gani. Do we count that as 10 likes again? Do you count that? Guys, comment down below if we could count the small ones.
What is that?
I don't know. I think it's poo of the spiders. Baba, I think I saw a spider with you. Dito. Oh. Yeah. Yan o. Maliit lang.
Dito tayo. Saan?
Sabi ko na. Naramdaman ko kasi. Yan guys. 10 likes again. 10 likes again. Look. I mean, show it like here. Here. Yan guys. Yan o. Okay guys, so we found another one right here. So where is it? There, right?
Yan.
Yeah, I see it.
Tapos yung isang pula dito nawala na.
Nawala?
Oo. Dalawa, yung isa nandito. Yung pula nawala. Pero yung isa nandito pa rin oh.
Okay, nice. We still got a spider. Should we count the old spiders too? As 10 likes?
Pulahan mga idol. Pula? Oh. Wait lang aso pa yan ha. Wait lang. Ang kalatinan natin dito. Yan mga idol oh. Kulay pula. Laki na oh. Ang haba ng galamay. Di ba?
Kaya ni Lula. Haba ng sungay.
Ang haba ng galamay. Mga idol oh. Tingnan nyo oh. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda ng bahay niya ba, no?
Okay, gani. Kalaki-laki. Oh. Hanggang kailan lang. Hindi masira-sira yan.
Oo. Hindi lang natin kunin yan. Saan na yung isa?
Yung nakita mo kanina.
Ito oh. Laki na rin oh.
Oh, malaki na rin.
Okay, be. Akin be. Akin ang flashlight. Oh, mataas siya.
Do we count that too us 10 likes.
Yeah,
Yeah, syempre.
why not?
Why not? So we got
And,
20 likes. So yeah, it's right there. It's right
Oh,
there.
let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
May
Yan, nandito
ipapakita.
na eh.
Wala na yan.
Wala na?
May ipapakita ako sa'yo dito. Dito sa may
Everyone?
nangka. Dito sa may nangka, go.
Where?
Dito. Oh, dito ka magdaan.
Here?
Dito, oh.
Ay, dyan.
Oh. No.
Ano, malaki siya.
Diba?
Another 10 likes, guys. Nice. That's. How do you know all the places of the spiders?
Hinanap ko kanina eh.
King Kong in the chest.
Grabe, ang ganda ng puro mo, oh. No?
Yeah, malaki rin yan. Ano rin niya?
Mahaba yan, pero grabe itim. Ah, hindi.
Iti. Ano yan
Hawakan mo
yan?
nga, be.
Okay. So, yan guys yung spider. So, it's really big. Really big. Like King Kong size. King Kong in chest.
Tapos may nakita pa rin ako dito isa.
Where? Hold it. Because I don't know where it is.
Ito, oh.
Where? Let's see it because I'm... Ooh.
Kaninang turkey. Adobuhin mo. Tara na. Let's go.
That doesn't count as a spider.
Natakot tuloy siya.
Nagagalaw ba yan?
Pero yung nangka natin, no? Nabulok na yung isa, hindi ko napansin.
Hindi mo ikuha.
Pero kunin natin yan bukas.
Sige, kunin mo yan.
Yes.
Sayang.
Oh.
Oh, wow, that's a big one. Ay, hindi ko nakita yan. Pero sayang yan, ano natin.
Daming ants, oh.
Ano gani yan? Parang matamis masyado. Ay, maasim pala. Maasim.
Ano?
Yan, good. Yan doon
Kamyas?
sa puno na yan. Oh, kamyas. Sayang lang yan.
Wala na dito.
Find there. Okay.
Saka na ako maghanap ulit.
Saan may tayo ngayon mag-check? Doon na?
Wala na, dito na.
Dito lang? Tingnan natin doon.
Hindi na, dito na. Dito na lang tayo.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you want to see more videos like this, please smash that like and subscribe. So let's go.